friends, now we're making menudo. Of course, we need our pork already cut, and we put a little bit of soy sauce and some lemon. Our potatoes and carrots, onion, lots of onion. Our bell pepper. We're gonna use some tomato paste and some tomato sauce. Of course, soy sauce and our garlic. So we'll put our garlic now. Lots of garlic. That's the key. And of course, salad master, so no oil. We're not using any oil, right? Let's wait a little bit there. Put our meat. I can smell the lemon. Probably half an hour. It's quite a lot, so half an hour. After 30 minutes. There you go. We didn't add water, but as you can see, yeah, it has its own water, right? And then now we're gonna add our potato and carrots. It's a big group, so we're making a lot today. Another 10 minutes only for potatoes, right? To be cooked. Kasi nga, it's salad master. There you go. So we're almost done. We already add the tomato sauce and the tomato paste. So just another 5 more minutes and then we're good to go. It's gonna be done. Then you can just add some pepper if you want. Black pepper.